Cha-ching! Yes, we got the rewards in the Shibaswap. Not only we get Ryoshi Vision in there, but they also added in this week's Bone rewards. Let's go ahead and break this down right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Yes, we've been waiting for this, and I did a couple of videos to let you know Ryoshi. Let's go ahead and zoom this in right now. What's coming? And listen, I'm excited. I hope you're excited right now, and let you know it's worth getting Ryoshi Vision. Yes, to me it is. And I think it's kind of like a hidden gem that not many people are talking about. But let's go ahead and dive into this content right now. Now, the bone rewards obviously could be a little bit higher. I understand. But this Ryoshi Vision, this does kind of make up for it a little bit. You know, 14 million, I can't complain. I hope you got a nice little increase in rewards in your actual portfolio. So all you got to do is go to Shibaswap.com and go under what it says the Shiba. Because remember, all SHIB holders should be getting some Ryoshi Vision. Now, my bone rewards got increased to 4. I'm going to wait until later on for that can accumulate for more bone rewards. Same thing for the wrap Ethereum. But this Ryoshi Vision, I may see how much this is. Let me see how much this will be if I wolf this out. Because the fees has been kind of playing tricks on us. It really has. The fees has been a little bit out of hand. Okay, fees a little bit high right now. I'll even show it to be transparent with you. $38. So I'm going to wait probably later on tonight, maybe early in the morning to wolf this out and to see if the fees are lower. So I'm very, very thankful for this Ryoshi Vision. Oh my God, I'm so excited about this. Man, this is a blessing. Definitely. Okay, so let's go and continue with the rewards. So now I go under leash. Check your leash. The leash is getting under. The leash actually bearing my leash. I'm getting a little bit more bones. Just a little bit more. I've got 7 bones right now. Bones at $1.17. So I'm going to keep that in there as well. I'm just checking everything. And let's check the berry bones area. 17 bones right now. I'm thankful. Remember, what I'm really excited about is that unwolfable is 236. So I'm very, very thankful for that. We'll be taking care of that in January, but I'm thankful for the 17 that we currently have. Now, let me go back and let me see how much unwolfable that we have here. Okay, so unwolfable bones 100, we have there. Unwolfable wrap Ethereum there. And we don't have anything unwolf because we need to wolf the Ryoshi Vision. Now, let me see if they're doing this. It says, your wolf Ryoshi will be released weekly for the next 6 months. So let's see what happens there. Unclaimed amounts will continue to occur until the next. Only ex-SHIB holders. So you need to be a SHIB holder, hodler in Shibaswap. That's why, this is one reason why, do not give up on Shibaswap. Are you crazy? Anyway, rewards are calculated on a weekly basis depending on the percentage pool ownership and the total available rewards of that week. So continue hodling your Shiba. And to me, I'm going to continue adding more Ryoshi Vision. And matter of fact, I'm going to see how much that is. I was looking at SafeMoon earlier, and I did a SafeMoon video. So shout out to SafeMoon. And let me go ahead and look at Ryoshi Vision, because they've been up a little bit today. And so I'll really see, this is time to go shopping. It's actually a good time to go shopping some Ryoshi Vision. It's time to go Ryoshi Vision shopping. So let me go ahead and continue the process. All right, so we look at that berry bones, berry rewards in terms of bone, and now Ryoshi and wrap Ethereum is in there as well. But let's look at another area that rewards should be calculating as well. So right now, I'm fine. I'm fine what I'm seeing right now. It's not high, I get it, but it's better than nothing. And I'm looking at this in a long-term strategy. USDC, WBTC, got a little Bitcoin in there, a little wrap Bitcoin, DAI, and USDT. So right now, I'm not going to whoop any of these out because I don't think it's worth it versus how much the fees is going to charge me. So I'm just going to continue accumulate. Let it continue accumulating and see what happens. So let me go ahead and look at my pairing. There's 20 bones there. There's 89 bones there. There's 17 bones there. And there's 68 bones there. So right now, to me, if I wolf this out, the fees is going to be about $30 to $40. I'm just going to pause for now, let it accumulate, let it sizzle, just like bacon on the frying pan. Let that thing sizzle, and then when those fees get to a point where it actually makes sense, we wolfing those out. Only 33% of that as well. We wolfing those out and moving on. Another thing I'm excited about, check this out, guys. Check your unwolfable too. So if you wolf things out in the past, check that out, because I'm seeing unwolfable 504 there. So to me, I'm looking at little hidden parts that maybe people are not talking about. 504 unwolfable bones will be delivered to this Shibaswap address in January. So I'm excited about that. So think about that. That's 500. And think about it. 500. And let's say bone at the time is $10. Let's say it is. That's $5 grand, baby. I'm just saying if it was $10 at the time, that's $5,000. That's, how much is that again? $5 grand. So anyway, guys, Shibaswap is still, to me, I think it's still a great place to hold your SHIB, buy bone, buy leash, and now collecting Ryoshi Vision tokens, you know, just by burying your SHIB. So, all right, my name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. And also another thing, I didn't say this before, but don't forget to get your Webull account on right now. SHIBs get on Webull. Get ready for that. I've already signed up and I'm ready to go to get my SHIB on Webull as well. This is good for the Shiba ecosystem. As more hodlers getting Shiba, it doesn't matter where you're getting that, it's going to help the whole ecosystem. And as well, when you deposit $5 or more, you'll get the value up to $2,000, up to $2,000 stock. Why not? I've got my stocks. Where's your stocks as well? Because I want you to win as well in this whole and type of field. So Shibaswap, check your rewards. If you don't have them yet, I'm sure they're on their way. Let me hear in the comment line, what do you think of all this? And I'll see you on the next video.